I'm Hunter. I'm with the Freeport McMoran internship. I'm currently an intern over there. This is one of the classes I'm taking through them. It's CNC operation. It's also one of the pre-engineering classes at YC. So I'm an industrial plant technician. Basically, we just work on different types of machinery, pumps. We fabricate a lot of stuff, making stuff out of metal, a lot of welding, basically keeping the plant running. I really like the hands-on approach of the program. It's a 50-50 class, so we spend half of our time in the classroom doing lectures, and then we get to spend the other half of our time in the lab actually working on the machines. I chose this field because as a freshman in high school, I took a welding course, and in that welding course I learned that I really like welding, and being a mechanic is one of the few trades that you can actually weld as well as do different jobs. My plans after the program is to use pretty much all the classes that I take at YC to go work at the mine. Having knowledge in the profession can get you pretty far. It opens up a lot of job opportunities, and if you have a degree in it, you can definitely advance a lot further in your career than most people. I would definitely recommend taking this course.